Watch this video from the beginning to the end. Don't skip any parts, guys. What did we have? We have a delicious and healthy recipes for you. What is that can greater you whenever you eat it? That's what we have. We have different combination of food here. Guys, use your eyes to do Christmas. But before then, if you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe, like, and share. God bless you. So, guys, we have an amazing recipe here which gonna better you. What is that? Guys, make sure that each of your meal you side veggies, fruits and veggies. Okay, so the second thing we have here is the same veggies. As you can see, all the food I present here combined with veggies, side with veggies. Why? Because veggies can build you from inside out. Eating good food can build you from inside out. Guys, I'm gonna show you guys my picture here, my photo, to see how I'm greater. What is making me to greater is not only cream or the food I fuel my body with. So keep on watching. After, you're gonna write the food you choose most among all the food and fruits I'm gonna show you. Okay, this one, another thing that can nourish and better your body is eating fruit, because we've never even eaten the varieties of fruits and veggies we're supposed to eat on our daily basis, but we don't, as in they don't expect us to complete it. Only what they expect us to do is keep eating it little portion every day to make sure that our body did not lack fruits and veggies. So guess what I'm eating? I'm just closing my mouth, sitting down to eat. This is watermelon. Okay, look at me, guys. Some people might wonder, maybe it's cream that makes me greater. Not at all. It's all these things I'm presenting for you here. That's what makes me to greater. Even when I did not rock cream, I'm good to go because I'm eating good. So watch all the food and recipes I present to you here so that you start preparing them and keep eating it. Most especially non-starchy food. As we preach here, eat quality, not quantity. So guys, so I just try eating, licking the lollipop, because I feel like sometimes if you talk a lot, your throat might be dry. So lollipop help me to, you know, clear my throat whenever I licked it, or it may be drinking water. But I feel like if I'm in congregation, I don't drink water so that I will not be frequently, rushing to, as in, restroom. So that's why I prefer putting lollipop in my purse always, so that whenever I feel like I'm having a dry throat, I can lick it. So let me know what you used to, as in, uplift your throat whenever you feel like you've over talk much. Is it water? Is it sweet? Is it lollipop? Or people will say, why lollipop? Because it comes with sugar. If you are getting advanced, you don't need to be taking all this often. Yes, it's true, but only why I'm taking lollipop, well, you take it once in a while doesn't mean that it can affect you. Why I'm taking it is only when I'm in a congregation or I'm out there. But at home, I usually take water. Okay, let's not talk much. Let's show you another food, another recipe you need to be eating. So this one is our breadfruit. This is proteinous in nature. This is so very good. It looks simple but kind of good to your body. So this is as in scarce. It's not rampant unlike other recipes, but we manage getting it. So cooking it is not difficult, and it doesn't require much ingredient because it has already prepared itself. It's proteinous, so you don't need to add it much. Just cooking it is with potash. If you feel like the breadfruit is kind of strong, so put it potash. Potash gonna soften it, and little maggi, pepper, salt, crayfish. If you want to cook it rough, or if you just want to cook it plain, just cook it like that. Drink the water and eat your breadfruit naturally, just like that, without attaching it anything. So this is so very very good. So we try making it drop. Why? Because we've been eating it plain. The plain one doesn't taste sweet because you're not gonna attach it anything like salt, maggi. It will only look that whitish in color. But drinking the water is a very very good thing because it can better your body. So the next thing I want to show you, which usually betters me and help me keep looking sweet 16, is this fruit. Guys, you eat good food and also eat fruit, veggies, guys, because it's scientifically proved that we need to be eating all those things. Good guys, don't just hear from me, go and google it so that we wouldn't make a health claim. See, so guys, we are eating different combination of fruit, which is our watermelon and our pineapple. So and other fruits as well count. So these are the ones I'm presenting for you. As time goes on, we're gonna be bringing it one after or the other, so that you can know the kind of food to be eating on your daily basis, which gonna help you greater, help you better your skin, help you don't need to worry about every other things like cream. You can rub Vaseline and oil, you are good to go. Okay, rate this for me and thank you for watching. See ya. Subscribe and share. Thank you.